I'm hungry. Snack time. I like to snack. You know what my favorite snack is? Popcorn. I am a popcornaholic. But I have been ruined about my popcorn, thanks to my friends at Popcorn World. It's www.doingtheworldaflavor.com. They have personally ruined popcorn for me because now, with over 250 flavors to choose from, and some that are secret, you just gotta know how to ask for them. Popcorn's ruined for me because now it's the only popcorn I want. I got another order from them. They kicked in some extra goodies. Let's take a look at what I got. So, you can get multiple sizes of things. They've got small sample bags all the way up to a large tin. 10 is what you see in the thumbnail. That's an older tin. That one's actually empty, but I keep it around because, well, it's Popcorn World. They're awesome. But I ordered a few bags, and then they kicked me a little something extra. So, let's take a look at what I ordered. I'm gonna dig in the box right down here. Yeah. Number one. This was a medium bag. And this one, smoking chipotle. Side note, I like hot things. So, a couple of my flavors are hot, and a few of the samples they sent me are hot. So, smoking chipotle. And the other three bags I got are large bags. So, this one right here. This one is affectionately known as Chicago Crack by those that know. This is cheese-coated caramel. This is a large bag. Going back in. This one. Southwest jalapeno. Another large bag. And finally, this is the flavor that I love to savor. This right here. Crab legs popcorn. Now, I know what you're saying. Crab legs? Really? Crab legs popcorn. Look, this popcorn is going to change your life. Okay? Crab legs popcorn will change your life. It's just facts. It's just what it is. It's facts. Crab legs popcorn will change your life. Now, let's go into the samples. So, again, shout out to LeBaron Burton. Owner Popcorn World, great guy. You can find him on all the socials. He knows I like hot, so kick me a few little sample bags of some of the hot stuff. We got Takis flavor. Let's see what else we got. Personal favorite, jalapeno spinach. Jalapeno cheddar with ranch. Frank's Red Hot, because I put that. No, I'm not going to say that. I don't want to have to believe anything. Not cheddar. Not hot cheddar. But hot cheddar. Flaming hot. See the theme, of course. Sizzling hot. And of his hot flavors, I didn't want to buy a whole bag of this one this time, but he threw it in. I was ready for it. It is my favorite. Snake bite. Why is it called snake bite, you ask? Because that ghost pepper base sneaks up on you. You bite in, it's like, oh, this is a kind of a smoky flavor. The pow! Right in the face. It's beautiful. So that's it, just a quickie. Shouting out Popcorn World. My favorite place to snack. It was to get snacks. Great people. Great product. Check them out. Again, that's doingtheworldofflavor.com. Link in the description. So, that's it. BionicScoop out. Remember, take care of yourselves.